mall trip, gonna be fun. Today is going to be a wonderful day cause I am going on a mall field trip. Time to eat a Pop-Tart. Really fast.
Keiji, it is not a good idea to eat a whole Pop-Tart in less than a second.
Time to get ready. Now it's time to go.
Hey, that's my backpack. Keiji, give me back my backpack.
It's gonna be fun! Get something like that!
Give Kathy her backpack back and get your real backpack. You are going to be late.
Oh no!
Here is my backpack, got to go by.
He's going on a field trip to the mall. I am jealous.
It's gonna be fun!
I can't wait to visit at the mall.
I can't wait to go to the food court.
I can't wait to get delicious pretzels from Auntie Anne's.
And big soft pretzels!
Okay class, time to go on the bus.
And he smiled at me. Said it's gonna be a good one, just wait and see.
Ned, stop singing.
Let him sing.
It's the best day ever. It's the best day ever.
My favorite store of them all is Mr. Tuffy.
What is Mr. Tuffy?
You don't know what Mr. Tuffy is?
Yes.
I will show you. It is the best part of the mall.
Someone does not know what Mr. Tuffy is. Take this kid to Mr. Tuffy. It is the best part of the mall.
What is this Mr. Tuffy store everyone is talking about?
Mr. Tuffy has two ways. Nintendo Wii and Wii U.
Even Ned knows what Mr. Tuffy is.
I have never been in that part of the mall. My mom always drags me to the perfume store part of the mall. I still have flashbacks to this day.
We are at the mall.
Okay, so where is this Mr. Tuffy store at?
I will show you. There it is, Mr. Tuffy.
Nice.
This, Keiji, is what you are missing out on.
Wow, this store is so awesome. I bet I can't find something I really need. Good thing I have money.
Wow, thank you, you're welcome. I run this. I also want to get the Thomas the train this morning.
Ned loves his Thomas. Hey, check out this cool skateboard. It is in Japanese.
I have two wings, and no one can stop me.
Hey look, I found a laser pointer. This will help develop a plot for an episode.
What's that mean?
There will be an episode about laser pointers. And I will take this video too. I have enough money to get two things. The video now is $25.
Don't forget to add up the math.
Nor. I am going to go to Sears and find new clothes.
Baby, the reason I breathe is you. Boy, you got me blinded. I'll get it, baby. There's nothing that I wouldn't do. It's not the way I planned it. Show me how you want it to be. Tell me, baby, 'cause I need to know now. Because
Hey, it is almost 12. We're supposed to meet the teacher of the food court.
Let me sing one more time. Baby, hit me one more time.
I should go here more often. Mr. Tuffy was the best store ever.
Nothing like eating a Chick-fil-A sandwich and drinking a milkshake at the mall.
Wow, a gum machine. I get all of the candy to myself. Thank you, person on YouTube who's taught me how to do this.
Time to go back on the bus.
It was fun while it lasted.
Time to test out my video now color.
It's the Phantom of the Earwax!
Dude, how long the trip was. We do not have time to do schoolwork.
Dear Diary.
Dear Diary, today I got in trouble because I told the teacher I was going to the bathroom. But I was actually using my phone in the hallway for a long time. Then Rosa caught me and trolled the teacher. What a nerd. Today is May 17th, 2019. Really close to the last day of school. I also tied on a new dress I got at Sears during the fall field trip the other day. It was expensive but worth it. Danny probably thinks I am a spoiled brat just because I bought something expensive. If he does, he should remember that he bought Chewies at Mr. Chetty. Last night I had a nightmare that somebody tried to steal my diary and read it. That is something I am really scared of.
Sally, it is time to go to school. Get your stuff ready now.
Okay, just a minute. Now I have to go to school. I'm ready.
Skipping school, like a bus. Walking down the street, like a bus. See somebody's house, like a bus. Walk near somebody's house, like a bus. Try and sneak in, like a bus. Sneaking into Sally's room, like a bus. Stealing Sally's diary, like a bus. Going back to school just to read her diary out loud in front of everybody, like a bus. I can't believe that I got Sally's diary. This will be fun. This is the best day ever because I will humiliate Sally, like a bus.
Shut up!
Sounds like a lot of hoopla to make over a little Krabby Patty, right? Wrong!
Wow, that sounds like a messed up ring. If I were you, I would put some pretty strict protection on it.
Please, no one would steal it. What person would sneak into my house and steal my diary? Probably someone insane. Wait, what the?
What's wrong, Sally?
Corey has my diary. Oh my gosh.
Wow, you must be having a really bad day.
No time for yapping. I got to go get my diary back before I get embarrassed to death. Hurry, 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 hurry.
Does anybody want curry?
I'll drop it, Danny.
You asked for it, Corey?
Oh no, she is on fire.
Corey is such an idiot. He does not know how angry Sally can get. He will regret his actions.
Time to go to Corey's house now.
I wonder what she will do.
Digging a hole. Sneaking into Corey's house through underground. I rise from the floor and leaves a big hole, running upstairs. Hide like a ninja so his mom will not see me. Wait a second. Corey's mom is literally a killer whale now. Weird. Run upstairs. As I run upstairs, I reach my destination. Corey's room. On the wall is an anti-Janice sign. And I found his diary. Time to bring this to school and also steal my diary back from Corey. Swipe. Running out of Corey's house as I am enjoying. I can't wait for that sweet revenge. Revenge is sweeter than sugar. Swipe. Got my diary back. And I will write down what I was saying earlier in my diary. And that was what happened today.
Give me the diary back.
It is not yours.
Hey, what's that book behind your back? Come back here.
It is almost lunchtime. I will talk about the diary right in front of the whole school. All right.
Whoa, you actually have Corey's diary.
He deserved it.
Don't mess with Sally. She pinches back.
Where there's smoke, they pinch back.
This is going to be a success. I have never done such a thing before. Corey gets what he deserves.
Hey you, out of the way.
Hold it right there, Chloe. You are running in the hallway.
It is important. I am about to be embarrassed. You have no right to block me. You are not the teacher.
You are not the boss. She has a right to block you. No running in the halls.
That was a little too far.
This must be the worst day for Corey.
Corey is crazy. He beat me up really bad after I won a tennis match against him. I almost died.
Fatality.
Okay, everyone. Here's a very funny story. It is called Corey's Diary, and I am about to read it. May 4th, 2019. I planned to beat up Henry during a tennis match because I hate almost everyone that is not my cute pony.
So what is this? Cute pony.
According to this page, Corey secretly has a bond with a pony doll. He loves it so much that he kisses it every night.
Wow, Corey just melted. Man, I am so hyped. It is the school dance, and it is so special. I am planning to dance with Rosa.
But Rosa is going out with a different kid. I am going out with Rachel. Tonight is a special night.
Time to prepare for the big dance. Or should I say the big kiss? This will be the best night of my life.
I am wearing contact lens because it is more attractive. Mitchell would love that.
Mitchell never said anything about your glasses. He might think the glasses are attractive. Maybe that is he loves you.
I never thought about that. Mitchell is the sweetest boy I have ever met. That is why I love him.
Everyone at school is going to be there. Even then, he even has a date to the dance. Olivia is his date. Very, very creepy. Yeah.
Sometimes the world looks perfect, nothing to rearrange. Sometimes you just get a feeling like you need some kind of change. No matter what the odds are this time, nothing's gonna stand in my way. This flame in my heart, like a long lost friend, gives every dark street a light at the end. Standing tall on the wings of my dream, rise and fall on the wings of my dream. The rain and thunder, the wind and haze, I'm bound for better days. My life, my dream, nothing gonna stop me now. My life, my dream, nothing gonna stop me now. Nothing gonna stop me now.
Well, I am surprised that you actually want to go out with me. I thought I was very unattractive. I am lucky.
I wanted you to be my dance because I think you dress very nice. I love you, even if you are spoiled. I love you.
Even if I made that very strange video on Snapchat, I still have a date.
To be honest, I thought that was funny. Sorry I laughed.
It's okay. You still love me.
I can't believe my son is going out to a dance with his girlfriend. I am so happy for you, honey bun.
Mom, stop.
And I am going out with Rosa.
No, you are not.
Yes, I am.
Okay, let's drive you to the dance.
You, driving us to the dance. Mom, can you drive us instead?
That's not nice. You should respect your sister. She worked so hard to get her driver's license.
Barley.
Keiji.
Fine. Kathy, drive us to the dance.
That's more like it.
I am such a proud mother.
Hey, Kathy, can you play us a song?
Not now.
Now.
Yes, we are at the stoplight. Give me the CD. This sure is taking a long time to load. Oh no, my car. We crashed into a tree.
This all would not have happened if your mom drove us.
No offense, Annie, but you caused it with that CD that played loud.
I know. We should walk to the school for the dance. We are very close. Come on, let's go.
Hey, what about your sister? Your sister is very important. Fine, I won't just call the car repair shop. Keiji is so grounded.
Sorry I did that.
I really hope that Kathy does not blame me like she always does when you do something weird. Wow, Danny, you run fast.
Thank you.
We are here, even after a car crash.
Keiji, you made it. Just in time for the dance to start.
So, I did not miss anything.
Hey, Rosa.
Leave me alone. I am not dancing with you. I already got a boyfriend.
This stinks.
I know, right? I hate Mitchell way more than you do. I am lonely. He dumped me a while ago.
Let's become girlfriend and boyfriend.
You are cute.
Keiji, I registered the DJ to play your favorite song.
Really? Thanks.
Get down, you little powerful little set tonight. 気持ちいい。二人で一緒にね、このウィンターウェイ。あなただけ見つめて、私だけ